ande one gukara mono watega Peter Munya. He stood a big chance kwa governor 2022.
Yes.
But na constituted na roba mero wa unyankara na are uro ya mandu zako. But laina igetwe na koria mero wanda kana na rejira rugura visit ya na go strengthen kiama kiawe na mugawanyiko jo bure ajura jo Azimio. This is the best opportunity for Munya now. Munya thora na tura ko na ro biko ya thamire Muthara
karaka
ko engage na Meru because Munya utemagi athithiretia Meru. Munya served a whole 5-year term as a Minister of Agriculture.
Yes.
Utesikadu Munya
Awatamio.
Munya na alike Ministry of Cooperatives. Munya work as a management consultant in sector cooperatives kwenye ajili na a lot of clients. The policies nyingi mono through and women ya national government ki policy wise. Munya wa mutega na ijikena ne Amiru taira leadership cause already na ari gavana tami mwe. Na Munya akoromba katam kamwake ntukondo tumena marizo jangi DMK ki ora tumere romba ira kira itukura na ari kiwa yembe muthia. Munya arenda ta meje muthia ki makosa ya kweli Munya omba kuzariretia Meru bamwata kura 2027 ntaja kumukampenera. Munya gavana used to work in the banking sector na Munya arugura market yo bwega muno ka magurugura account yawe na akaomba kuenable stakeholders different bomba kwaranĩrio na style une wayo reta Meru thai no kware na bankers no kware na cooperative sector no kureta kuruba cooperative. Meru is rich in cooperative sector societies no kubareta to karandi ba kwa kimba kwa da mandu jamwe. That was the style of Munya Nkiraito. Right now it is lacking.
Good.
Ima Munya akaja na power 2027 na buka migo.
Good. Dereka ikuja muno. Wewe umete sentiment wakini Mangoshine. Constituency ne kariata kimaendeleo. Be frank. Notika weno ntunomba kuwa okalba itiba ne buga kumba kumenea kini dere aliyo kweli wao yamudikiria kego kweli kadulima kwa